Hello guys, my name is Biscuit and welcome back to my channel, or if you're here for the very first time, welcome. Today we are reacting to Scorpions with the song Rock You Like a Hurricane. You guys have been asking for it and I'm trying to go a little bit back to the older requests and trying to catch up on the YouTube comments you guys leave me and trying to do good by everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Very much appreciated. I will just put this very first on the screen, get my headset because we definitely need to hear, and I guess we're ready to go. I hope you guys will get to enjoy it. Oh my god, my mic is so high. Okay, let's go. Okay, mister. The big hair, we love that. Ooh. Nothing. Yes, give the inches. I was not expecting this. Wow. The wolf, huh? He even encourages us, you know? Let's go, Klaus!
Comes out, his light was shaking really loud. Cat is burning, scratch my skin. So what is wrong with another sin?
Nothing.
I have to go. And Bob is hungry, he runs the show. He's licking his lips, he's ready to win. On the hunting night for love and mercy.
Rock you like a hurricane. Yeah, I'm ready.
Rock you like a hurricane. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane.
To be fair with you guys, I have never been this happy that my mom doesn't speak English as I am today. So my mom likes watching my reactions to like rock music from like this period. So she really loves, for example, Scorpions. She really likes when I react to them. Michael Jackson. She likes. She likes Elton John. She likes. Who else? George Michael. So she's gonna be probably watching this as well, and I'm so happy she does not speak English. I actually have to ask her if she knows what the song is about because it's very out there for everyone to understand what the song is about. I loved it. I like the lyrics. I think this is the first song that is more energetic, more fun, more crowd controlish, more, have fun on the songs from the Scorpions I have reacted to until now. The other one, like Send Me an Angel, or how was it called? I reacted to the other one. And not Still Loving You. I don't remember right now the song, but it's like all of them have like importance, other the fall of the Berlin Wall, the communism, and such on, or like some ballad kind of a story. So this is the very first one I'm reacting to, and it's dancing and energetic and fun and nice lyrics and crowd control-ish thematic and everything. So I really liked it. I liked seeing this side of them. If you have any other suggestions or any other songs that might be on the same, spectrum like this one, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm really, really, really grateful. Of course, I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. Of course, I hope maybe you got reminded of this song. Maybe you just, maybe you just saw it on my musical journey and like, oh my god, this girl listening for the very first time to this song. Let me listen to it again. So that's the purpose, that's the reason to come back. You never know what I'm gonna be reacting to next. You never know what's gonna be a memory from your past is gonna bring it up here, or it's just, I think it's just a nice moment to share together. So like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come visit me on Twitch as well if you wish. I do stream almost daily. It would be my pleasure to have you. But that's it for today. Have an amazing day, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.